Hey guys, today I've decided against making a rogue clan for World of the Clan, so I'm gonna be going into thunderclan as a thunderclan cat. So yeah. You see what names they have. Flame, why not? Oh look, Flame Kit is awake. Come over here, Flame Kit. You can use it as Good job, you're walking very well, and I'm sure you'll make a fine apprentice in time. But what's that? You don't know where you are? Oh, little one, you're in thunderclan nursery, tucked away safely in the forest. thunderclan will need good little kits like you in the future. But enough talk from me. Why don't you go play with Tree Kit? Hello, my name is Tree Kit. I want to be a big warrior like Shinefair is when I grow up. I've heard that they all just talk about all their days as warriors. It sounds exciting. Battles, hunting, exploring, and leaving the camp. But we can't leave the camp yet because we're kids, and they won't let us. I've tried, but they say it's because of a lot of reasons. Too like monsters on the Thunder Path, north of here, Shadow Clan spies, scary rivers. Maybe I don't want to be a warrior anymore. Oh, my stomach hurts. I don't feel so good. Could you tell Shinefur for me? Yes, I can. What's that? Tree Kit isn't feeling well? Well, I'm sure that Cloudleaf has some herbs for his upset stomach. Why don't you go talk to her? You can find her over by her house underneath the big rock. I never knew it was called a house. I thought it was called a den, but never mind. Oh, little one, I'm Cloudleaf, the medicine cat of ThunderClan. Do you see this cave here behind me? It's my house, and the large rock that is built into is where our leader Skystar gives speeches to the clan. But you must be here for a reason. Oh, your friend Tree Kit has an upset stomach. Here, I'll give you some herbs to take him. See that leaf over by the pond? That's a leaf of Shaver plant, which will help your friend. Hello. Oh, thanks a billion, the Shaver. You help. Now you just have to give it to me. Drop your Shaver. I don't care. I know how to drop it, okay? Ew, it tastes nasty, but my stomach isn't hurting anymore. Thanks a ton. I'll bet Shinefur wants to hear how helpful you've been. Yes, maybe she does. But maybe she doesn't. Oh, he's feeling better now? Excellent, thank you. You've been a big help, but you look hungry. Here, I've got a mouse I hunted yesterday. You should eat it, and I'm not going to read that because I already know what it says. Hello. I want to pick it up. Okay. Good work. Okay, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so what should I do next? I should just drink, because that's just right. Hot stuff. Excellent work. By now, you've probably also noticed all the mumbo-jumbo about reputation. Perhaps you should speak to Skystar to learn more about reputation. Okay. Oh, hello there, little kid. I'm Skystar, leader of ThunderClan. You look like you'll become a fine warrior someday. What's that? You want to know about reputation? Oh yes, I'll tell you about that. Do you see that icon on the right side of the screen just below your thirst meter? It has a little cat head and an 8 next to it. Well, that's how you know how much reputation you have with ThunderClan. Reputation is necessary to survival. If that ever drops below 0, we'll kick you out and you'll become a rogue. And you don't want that to happen, but you can use reputation for plenty of useful things. You can purchase food from the fresh kill pile, for instance, or a bonus coins, which can unlock new content. But I need to get going. There's a raid over at Sunning Rocks that I need to be at. Yay, becoming an apprentice. Say that I don't care. Well, Flamepaw, you look ready for a challenge or two. Today I'm going to teach you how to hunt and how to fight. We will begin with hunting lessons. I know how to hunt already. Okay, shift. Probably not going to get it on my first try. I'm very never mind, I'm not clumsy. Pretend I never said that. Do I just drop the front of you? Yes, I did. Me? Wave Rose? That's a stupid name. Good spare. Take a moment to rest and restore your health. There we are. Alright, I'd say that covers today's lesson. And now we're going to become a warrior. Flame Whisker. Why not? Flame Whisker is my name. Let's see what's over here. Let's see the cats. Wave Fur. Ash Spirit. I don't know which one I like more, but oh well. Okay, let's go hunt. Hopefully we won't get attacked. But first, I need to know. Has anything happened? Hello, Flame Whisker. I'm happy to report that there's no suspicious activity going on today. And you're just going to say something like the same thing. Yeah, you are. No. We need to get across. I know I'm hunting in this territory, but there's a lot of prey here. So, yeah. Thunderclan needs prey. Really? Why you run away? What did me do to you? What did I ever do to you? Really? You want to run away? Yay, a frog! I caught a frog! And it's not even in my territory. Traitor! No. I'm not even a shadow clan cat. If I hunted for thunderclan and I was a shadow clan cat, then okay, I'd be a traitor, but I'm not. Just go behind the tree. I know this probably isn't gonna work. It worked before, but it doesn't always work. Never mind. I caught that. Sneak. This is such great sneaking, isn't it? Just walking along like door. How can you not see me? Like, thank you for the frog. Is there gonna be a bird? I want a bird. Can I just catch a bird? Birds are yummy, even though I can't really eat. Yeah, I stepped on a stick. Don't step on sticks like I do. You'll scare the prey away. Why am I whispering? You probably can't even hear me. Okay. We need bonus coins because I want to be River Clan. I don't know why. River Clan just seems more clanny. That's the greatest word I have for it. Don't judge. Don't judge me. As long as I don't get attacked, I'm fine. Because I don't like paying like my reputation to get health because it only gives you 20% more health, and that's the downside about it. So yeah, I've decided not to do Rogue Clan, so I won't be doing one anytime soon, but I might eventually do one. Who knows? Probably can't catch this. Oh, I can. It's kind of far away. Kind of not. Okay, I just need to catch one more froggy. I am pretty good at hunting. Really? I should have stepped one step closer. Sometimes I just kind of jump at it and it's kind of awkward. I should probably drink. Hurry! Run away. Hopefully no car comes when I just walk on there. You, not a dog. Nobody saw that. I did never see a dog. Okay. I'm back and I brought home the froggin, whatever. The prey. I don't know. I want a bonus coin. Can I have a bonus coin? Oh, I want a bonus coin. I don't want to be healed. Thank you very much. Hair paw. I can get an apprentice of my own. Put in the comments what you think I should get. Then I probably won't be able to. I won't be looking at the comments because probably just have another video out of it before I see in the comments. Because like nobody watches my videos. And it really sucks. Really? Oh my god, it's treated too hard! No, I didn't. Kinda sucks that you have to pay for prey. Like, why would you pay your reputation just to eat? Like, you've hunted so much, it's like, oh, you gotta pay reputation. But I caught everything. Really? You didn't even, like, leap. That's a fail. Fail. Fail, cat. Leap. I knew I wasn't gonna get it, so. They'll be like, oh, you didn't learn about hunting. Because I already know about hunting. Isn't this the place for this bird? No? Just a frog? Fine. I'll do with froggy butt. Froggy butt is gonna have to be enough for my camp. I know I'm hunting probably on Shadow Clan or like Fortress. Okay, Fortress. But sometimes Shadow Clan comes here because they're just like bad. They have bad butts. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what to say, cause I just don't know, okay? My throat's a bit dry. That was just weird to say. It's like, my throat is a bit dry. Like, you guys would even need to know that my throat is dry. Sneak. Doesn't even feel like my hand is on it. Ah, see ya. Aha, you didn't see me though. And I know how to save. Go to Skythaw and then press spacebar. Because that's just how life works now. You just go to clan leader and then say spacebar and then you save your game. Yeah. Well, you save everything you've done. So if a cat dies, you save that. Wasn't? Oh, this is the mouse. I got two mouses beside me and I used the wrong mouse. Such a smart cat. Anyways, guys, Bye!